There's a brand new morning where the ocean meets the sky. A ray of hope for those who stop and wonder why. To each and every one darkness calls, from the great cloud or hard rain falls. I'll be waiting here to pull you through. When evening fades into the blackness of the night, you feel so lonely and you need a guiding light. When the cold wind bruises you, you pray to God He refuses you. I'll be waiting here to pull you through. I am the sun, I'll be rising to shine upon you. I am the sun, and I will be there to warm your heart. New morning, brand new start. For you I am the sun. Rainbow colors follow after hurricanes. There'll be verdant greens proceeding a while to torrential rain.